Jason, and I'm a McKenzie friend. I provide information and practical support so you can feel clear, organised, and calm without legal jargon and without breaking the bank. I mean, I suppose the question you really need to ask yourselves though is, how important is what I do? So am I way up there with your paying your gas bill, paying your electric bill? If I'm being successful in helping you see your children, making sure you're in there with a fighting chance, where does that lay in your legacy of paying your bills each month? I mean, what do you have to forego to make sure that you are able to pay me? How important am I? That's the thing, isn't it? That's the question you need to ask. How important is someone with a proven track record of making sure people see their children as a 50-50? It's an unorthodox approach, Adler. If you know anything about your psychology, Adler. It's unorthodox, but it works. So how important is that to you? How important is that to you? Where would you put that on your little thing? I can get you from not seeing your children to making sure that you're seeing your children. How important is that? Is that above your phone bill? Is it not above? It's not above your phone bill. Seeing your kids is not above your phone bill. Fine, that's cool. Everyone's got a different layer to where it is. I'm not being sarcastic. I'm just being, everyone's got different. People have different methods or different variables, what they need in life, what they don't need in life, and where this sort of thing fits in. You can't beat that support that you get, that support that I can give, because I know exactly what they are wanting to see, what they want to see, what they want to feel. And 5 steps: own your shit, be humble, show sacrifice, offer compromise, prepare to be pragmatic. Doing all these things at the right times, the right reasons, at the right times, helplessly, will be enough to help make sure that you're being child focused enough to be allowed to have a relationship with your children. But you need to know when and how and when to drop them, because it's not about being a total rollover. So if you need support, I mean, how important is it seeing your kids? It's on you. List the priorities for this. If I could guarantee you a relationship with your children, where would that sit in your lane? Where you are now, where you've got no relationship with your kids, or where you are now, where you've not got a relationship you like with your kids? Where would that sit if I can get you through family court? Make sure you've got a relationship with your kids. But how important is that to you? Is it important to you? If it's not, then let me know. But move on. But if it is important to you, I might want to sit around. I won't give legal advice or represent you, but I will help you prepare evidence folders, neutral wording, hearing day prep, and what to expect each step of the way. Here's how we start. A £39 clarity consultation, normally £69. In 20 minutes, we'll pinpoint your exact next 2 steps, and you'll leave with the right template so you can take action today. If you're facing a hearing, struggling with forms, or just want a calmer communication, book your slot now.